If you have decided to source your products from overseas, there is a good chance you'll be buying from Alibaba, because by the numbers, Alibaba is the largest B2B company in the world. It's also the most comprehensive directory that connects suppliers with entrepreneurs just like you from all over the world. Now, the question I get the most in the comment section is it safe to use Alibaba? And the answer is yes, as long as you follow my 6 golden rules. Always get samples first, order from Chinese companies only, buy from verified suppliers with more than 5 years of experience, use Alibaba's trade assurance for your payments, use your credit card for purchases under $1,000, and if you make larger payments like $5,000 or $10,000, use wire transfer and make sure the beneficiary name matches the company name. And lastly, always order small at first and gradually increase your order size. So I assume you're familiar with these basics, and you can always watch my previous videos, which I'll leave in the description. But for now, let's get into today's tips and tricks you must know before making your first purchase. Alright, tip number 1 is my favorite so far because it's going to save you so much time, and that's to make sure you use Alibaba's favorite feature, because it allows you to compare 2 similar products from different suppliers, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. So there are 2 ways to add to favorites. The first one is at the top of the supplier's storefront, and the second one is on the product page. So let's go ahead and add a product from the supplier to our favorite list. I'm also going to add another product from another supplier to show you exactly why this feature is so useful. So once you find your favorite suppliers and add the products you're looking for to your favorite list, from the top right corner you can click on your profile, and under my Alibaba click on my favorites. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see all of your favorite products and suppliers. Now I'm going to show you why I love this feature so much. So first of all, it's going to help you to stay organized, otherwise you would rely on your browser's bookmarks. And secondly, you can easily compare the specific features by selecting them and clicking on the compare option. Alright, now you'll be able to compare all of the product features of both suppliers. As you can see, you can compare minimum order quantity, FOB price, their business type, payment terms they accept, their location, main products, and much more. But here is another tip for you. In order to be more efficient, on the top of this page you can check the hide the same feature or highlight the difference. So you'll be able to see which company is younger and which one has more experience. Finally, you can click on contact supplier and contact all of your favorite suppliers at once, which is going to save you so much time and effort. So hopefully from now on you will use this feature, and it's going to be one of your main strategies to narrow down your options. Alright, tip number 2 is to filter your search results by suppliers, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I mean by that. So what most of the new Amazon sellers do when they are looking for a product on Alibaba is that they just enter the product they're looking for in the search box and then start looking for the product. For example, let's do a quick search over here. As you can see, there are thousands of search results on this page, and it's almost impossible to go through every single one of them. Now, what I recommend is to go to the search box again, and on the left side, instead of products, click on the supplier. First of all, Alibaba is going to narrow down the search results. As you can see, we went down from a few thousand results to less than 2,000 suppliers. And the next thing is you should always click on trade assurance and verified suppliers features. So trade assurance means that whenever you make a payment through the website, your payment is going to be protected by Alibaba, which is an extra layer of security for you. And more importantly, 30 days after the delivery, if you are not satisfied with your product quality, you may request a refund, which is amazing. On the other hand, a verified supplier means that the supplier that you're working with has been verified by a third-party inspection company. So if you see any information related to their company, like certifications, the number of employees, their address or annual revenue, pictures, videos, or other information has been verified and is true. So to make it short, search by suppliers, not products, and always check the trade assurance and verified suppliers as well. Now, the third and final tip is to make sure you're contacting real factories, not trading companies. Now, I'm not against trading companies, and personally, I have done business business with many of them before, but a lot of times when you go into a supplier's storefront, you'll see they are selling 10 different categories. They are selling toys, furniture, fitness equipment, tools, kitchen equipment, electronic, phone cases, and other stuff. Now, what I highly recommend is to go to your supplier's page and look for their other products. Once you are on their store, from the menu, click on products and see all of the other products that they sell. So as you can see, this supplier specializes in selling these products, which is exactly what we're looking for. On the other hand, this supplier that is selling completely unrelated products, and it's obvious that they are not specialized in a specific category, and you should avoid contacting these suppliers. Now, the reason to focus on specialized suppliers is that, first of all, you're going to get better prices and deals, and the second reason is that they are going to have a lot more knowledge in that specific category, so they'll be able to help you to develop the exact product that you're looking for and help you customize and differentiate your product, which is a huge factor in having a successful product launch. Alibaba can be a great place to source your products for your online business. The prices are really cheap, and if you are careful enough about your supplier, you can always get good deals and high quality products. However, it's important to do your own homework ahead of time. Overall, Alibaba is a great option if you want to private label your own product and get the best price. There are some other B2B websites like 1688, which I'll dive into in the near future. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to watch my next video over here because I put a lot of time and effort into them. Now, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Cheers.